Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can stop Facebook from showing you adult content. Please subscribe to this channel, put likes, write comments. And let's get started. So, in order to do that, of course, we're going to need to open Facebook. Next, at the bottom of the homepage, we go to the menu section. At the top, we click on the gear to go to Settings. In the settings, we find the News Feed section. Here we go to the very last section, Reduce. Here we select Sensitive Content. Next, we can see that we have it set that there are already some content restrictions. But if you want to further restrict adult content so that it doesn't show up on Facebook at all, then you click Reduce More. Confirm what you're doing. Click OK. After that, Facebook will try not to show you adult content. And that way it will keep you or your family, your children safe. This is an easy way to stop Facebook from showing you adult content. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give you likes and comments. See you soon.